Fractions can be multiplied by other numbers, including other fractions. In this video, we will look at examples of multiplying fractions by other fractions. Let's start with an example. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Express your answer as a fraction in simplest form. The formula for the volume of a rectangular prism is shown here. L is the length of the prism, W is the width, and H is its height. For this rectangular prism, the measurements are fractions. In order to find the volume, multiply the three fractions. Plug in the values into the volume formula. To simplify, look for numbers that have common factors greater than 1 between any numerator and denominator. Notice that 2 in this numerator and 8 in this denominator have a common factor of 2. Also notice the 5 in the denominator and the 5 in the numerator. This expression more easily shows the common factors, which divide out. What we're left with is 7 in the numerator and 9 times 4 in the denominator. The fraction simplifies to 7 over 36. Let's look at another example. What is the area of this triangle? Express your answer as a fraction in simplest form. We know that the area of a triangle has this formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Since the values for B and H in the diagram are fractions, to calculate the area involves multiplying three fractions. Plugging in the values, we get this expression. Since there are no common factors greater than 1 between any of the numerators or denominators, multiply the terms. The result is 9/16. Let's look at a final example. The diameter of this sphere is 1. What is its volume? Express your answer in fractional form. The formula for the volume of a sphere is shown here. V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Since the diameter of the sphere is 1, this means that its radius, r, is equal to 1/2. Plugging that into the formula gives us this expression. Notice that 1/2 is raised to the third power. That means that both the numerator and denominator are raised to the third power. We rewrite 1/2 to the third power to 1 over 2 cubed. That's because 1 cubed is still 1. We multiply the fractions by first looking for any numerator-denominator combinations that have a common factor greater than 1. Notice that 4 and 8 have a common factor of 2. We are left with the product of 1/3 and 1/2. The final product is pi over 6.